Ultimate Filing, $10 dinar, 5-cent dinar, $10 bet.
This letter is going to get delivered to your room tomorrow before 9 p.m. The casino will open tomorrow after we set sail, so we are going to be here for you to answer any questions after 6 p.m. But that letter is going to get delivered to your room.
One more for the mini. 2 minis.
And we're going to put it on your cabin by 9 p.m. tomorrow.
$20.
Once again, ladies and gents, if you qualify for a casino offer, if you have over 500 points,
ooh, minor,
for
200.
the slot play and table play all together, we would like to remind you that this offer is going to get delivered to your cabin tomorrow before 9 p.m.
Get up top. 2 more for another level.
What are you thinking?
There we go, 1. Do 1 more to get $30. Oh, there you go, $30. 1 more to get the 125. 3 more to get the 125. Come on, don't stop now. Don't stop now. 1 more, come on. 1 more. Ooh, look at that. 1 more. Oh, look at that. $500 up there. We'll take it. No sound with this one. So we're at 380. About a $400 win. 400. 450. $500. $580.